Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a calendar. Let's start off by drawing a short horizontal line going to the right and slanting up, then a long line continuing to the right and slanting down. Next, draw a line from the left edge going straight down and copy the lines above like so. Close out the shape with another line coming down here. Where the shape has an angle, draw a thin vertical line to finish off the top of the calendar. From the bottom left corner, draw a long line coming down and copy the angled shape again down here. Then, from the corner here, draw another long line coming down like so. Next, we'll add some pages flapping in the width. From the vertical line we just drew, draw a line that curves out to the right, turns at a sharp corner here, and touches back down to the bottom line like so. For another sheet, draw a line that curves out to the right more, a sharp turn to the right, and becomes a wavy line that flows all the way to here. Then, we can close out that shape with a line coming from the top and gently curving to the end like this. And add a short line going straight up from the bottom right. Underneath, draw one more really long line angled down slightly. And at the end, a short line angled up to the corner here. For some added detail, don't forget to write the date. I'm going to draw a big 31 on the calendar. And D, E, C underneath for December. On the left side, add a few thin vertical lines running along here for the edges of the sheets. And on top, draw 3 circles for some holes and 3 loops on top for the rings. And now you've got a calendar. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.